Hello everyone, how are you? Hope that all of you are well. In today's video I am going to show you how to change your Chime phone number using MuMu Player. Before we start the video, on quick notice, if you using casino payment support account like Chime, Venmo and PayPal and Cash App, you can join my Telegram for help and update. This Telegram channel ID link is here and the link also available in video description. So let's start the video. Open MuMu Player and open Chime apps. Type your passcode. It's loading. See, my account is login here. So I need to change my phone number from Chime apps. So see the number. I click edit option. So I need to put their new phone number. So I am using 𝗪𝗲𝗺𝗪 number 6991459. So click next. You need to put their 6-digit code. So I get the code. My code is 847989. So next, my number is updated. Got it. See my number. So if you need old Chime, then join my Telegram channel and any kind of USA stuff. So that's for today. Thank you.